What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? I'm super excited to share with you in this video probably one of the best ways to make money online with this autopilot traffic method. This is not going to include any surveys, no CPA marketing, not copying and pasting any affiliate links onto groups and hoping people will purchase your affiliate product. It's not going to be anything like that. It's going to be something brand new that I've not really introduced on my channel before. There's going to be 2 new websites that I haven't introduced as well, and this is going to be a long-term model that anybody can do, as it is worldwide and free to do, which I really like about this method. And there are a couple of keys to this video, such as the 3 key platforms that I'm going to show you that you need to understand and pay attention to throughout this video, as well as if you really want to succeed online with this method, a big key is going to be getting out of your comfort zone, which I'll explain to you later in this video. And this model definitely has the potential to be very lucrative, and it can be residual as well. And again, this is not something that will make you rich overnight. It's not going to make you hundreds of dollars from day one. It could if you perhaps are lucky, but it will take consistent effort in the beginning to get the ball rolling, and you'll kind of understand how this whole method works as a snowball effect later on. And guys, this is going to be a super value-packed video with amazing platforms that you can use to make money online. And my name is Jay, and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa. And on this channel, I teach you methods and business models like this one right here to make money online on a consistent basis, to build a sustainable income online, and also growing your online brand and presence. And I also invite you down below to join my private Facebook group where I will answer any questions that you have personally. I've got a whole community going there where we will help you out if you have any questions, so we can help solve your problems. But if you're ready for this value-packed video, let's get straight into it. So the first platform that I'm going to show you guys is this website right here. I'm going to reveal this website to you just in a bit. But this is a platform that you can use. It will basically automate organic traffic and organic Google ads for you to make your YouTube videos go viral. And this video is not going to be based around making our own YouTube videos go viral. We're not going to be making videos of our own that we're going to post on YouTube. This is going to be completely different to that, and we're going to be utilizing this platform for something completely different and something else. So with this platform, Sprizzy.com, we need to understand a little bit about how this works before we can utilize it for the next platform in order to make this method works. And you'll see here, tell us who should see your video, and you'll provide keywords that describes your video as well as the name of the YouTube channels whose subscribers you'd like to be targeted. So essentially this does all the ad automation for you, and I'll actually log into my account for you. You'll see right here I've got a campaign going at the moment, a Google ad campaign for one of my methods where I spent $30. No, we're not going to be spending any money on this platform ourselves. I'm just showing you how it works first so you can understand how this entire video will work. This video here, I spent $30 on Google Ads for it, and it's getting about an extra 1,000 to 2,000 views on this video, which is a good amount of views. It's all organic views. Real people are seeing this video, liking and commenting. And literally all you do is you click on promote new video. You can select the channel that you've got added, or you can add any channel, but this is not related, or you can just paste the link to the video that you want to promote. But this is not related to this video. I'm just showing you how this works, as I say, so we can understand this method. So you see right here, if I paste my link to one of my videos and I click on search, and you'll see right here, it will literally tell me if I enter a budget, let's say $50, it will give me, I will get between 1,600 and 2,000 views. If I enter, let's say $1,000, I will get between 33,000 and 44,000 organic views. Now, this Sprizzy platform actually has an amazing affiliate marketing platform or opportunity where you will earn 20% of anybody that you refer to their website and any amount that they spend. So let's say let's say you refer somebody, they spend $100 on ads, you will get $20 commission, which is really powerful. So what you can do to access that is you can come back to the Sprizzy main website. You'll see if I scroll down to the bottom, they've actually got an affiliate program where you can sign up. You'll see my dashboard looks like this. I've got some assets over here, and you'll see right here, you'll begin earning a 20% commission on all customers you refer to Sprizzy, where you'll get your own personal affiliate link. Now I'm going to show you how we can build a business around this and get a lot of autopiloted traffic to an opportunity just like this, because this is something new, because a lot of people want to promote their videos, they want to become big YouTubers, they want their content to go viral. Sprizzy provides an amazing opportunity for people to do that, and that's where we're going to come in and solve these people's needs. And the next step that I'm going to show you guys is quite crucial. It's going to be the platform that will make or break this method. And that platform we need to go to is udemy.com, where people sell a bunch of courses, perhaps to a YouTube marketing course or a YouTube channel growth course or Facebook ads course. But now we're not going to be listing our own course or creating our own course on this platform. We're going to be doing something that is a lot more cool. It's thinking out of the box, and it's also a lot more lucrative, which I really like about this method. And I'm going to show you why you're going to get a lot more traffic than any of these other people on this website. And I'm going to give you a tool where we can post courses on this website. You don't need a camera, you don't need to record yourself, you don't need to be creating your own courses. As I say, this tool is going to automate everything for you, and you're going to get a lot of business to your course that you're going to have on Udemy with then your affiliate link to Sprizzy, because simply Sprizzy is going to be included in this course as an affiliate link. So for example, if there's a section or a little video or a sub video in the course that you're going to be having on Udemy, as I say, you're not going to be creating these courses yourself. You can literally have something in the description. Here's a platform I've been using to go viral on YouTube and to get over 30,000 views a video organically with this automatic ad campaign that does all the hard work and verification for you. And you can also add something like you can use this traffic to get more conversions, more sales on your specific offers that you perhaps have in your videos, and grow yourself a business in general. And that is why I think Sprizzy is a very powerful affiliate program to use for this method. But it's important that you stick with me, because I'm going to show you this tool on how we're going to automate this process. So let's quickly go to Udemy. We can go, for example, in the search bar, let's go YouTube marketing or YouTube SEO, perhaps YouTube secrets as well. And you'll see right here, there's a bunch of courses, 20 YouTube marketing and YouTube SEO to get 1 million+ views, the complete digital marketing course, 12 courses in one, $200, that's about $15, another $15, maybe $15 or $16 there. If I go online courses, here's 1 million subs in a year, to about $20 for this course. YouTube secrets, about another $20 for this course, which these are all paid courses. So these kind of courses are getting really good ratings, 4.4 stars, 5,000 ratings, 3.8 stars, 4.5, 4.5. So these courses are actually doing very well. Now I know you guys don't have experience on YouTube ads or Google ads and creating these ads yourself or creating any of these courses yourself, but this is where I'm going to hook you up. I've got an amazing platform where you can actually get these courses completely for free. So the next platform that I'm going to show you guys is how to get these Udemy courses for free, how we're going to utilize them to get a lot of traffic to our Sprizzy offer. And you will need this because maybe you can add in a video such as speaking over your screen, and this is where getting out of your comfort zone is key, and you can basically recommend Sprizzy in this video that you've made or added in this course. You can then re-upload that to Udemy. I'm going to show you that platform right now, and basically people will see, hey, this guy's getting 30,000 views plus throughout his course using this platform Sprizzy, and they're going to go sign up through your affiliate link. And every time, let's say you get a lucky deal, maybe a businessman spends like $3,000 on YouTube ads or Google ads through Sprizzy, you're going to get 20% of that. So let's work this out. So if I go 3,000 times 20%, that is $600 you can earn in affiliate commissions on a $3,000 order. But I'm not saying everybody's now going to go and get $3,000 worth of ads on Sprizzy. The minimum is $30, where you'll earn $6 commission, which is still a very good percentage. So the platform that we need to go to is a platform called discudemy.com, and this is a platform where you can find hundreds and hundreds of thousands and thousands of courses that are listed on Udemy for completely free. So instead of paying for it, you're now getting it for free. And you'll see right here, if I come to the search bar, there's a big search button here, and I type in, let's go YouTube ads, you'll find a bunch of free courses, or let's just go YouTube. You'll see I'll find a bunch of courses YouTube tips to increase and reach ad revenue. So this is a course that goes for $199 on Udemy, but here it is completely for free. Android, building a YouTube listing app. Okay, it's not really relevant. Here, YouTube course, 6-figure YouTube marketing and SEO secrets, completely for free, and this same thing probably goes for about $200 on Udemy. And then what you can do is you can head over to a website like Open Broadcaster Software or OBS. You can literally record this software or this course with your own screen recorder like I'm using right here. It's completely free to download. You can basically record this entire course, add some of your own videos as well with OBS. You can literally just record your screen as I've told you, and then you can re-upload this course on udemy.com with your affiliate links in the description. And then what I suggest on Udemy is even a better bonus. When you are selling your course, set the price to free, because people want free stuff. But remember, you're going to be making all of your commissions on the Sprizzy sign up, not through actually selling your course on Udemy. So that means your course will also beat all of these courses simply because your price is free, and all of these people are selling basically the same thing at a charged price, but you beating them because you're beating your competitor. People are going to come to you, and then you'll earn 20% commission on any amount that they spend. So as I say, $100, you're going to earn $20 commission for just referring them. So guys, make sure to join my private Facebook group down below if there's anything that you're not sure about in this method, and I'll help you out personally. But if you also want to see me build a $5,000 drop servicing business live in this 41-minute course, free premium course that I've got here on YouTube for free, make sure to click on this video above. I've also got some free YouTube courses on the screen, some of my best playlists to make money online. Make sure to go and check those out as well. So make sure to choose one, and I'll see you there.